Hey guys, today we're making some burgers. I've got 3 different options here in front of me. We're going to compare and see what makes the best one. So what I got here is a chuck tube that you could buy at the grocery store that's just been sliced into a burger patty. Commonly used for a lot of burgers you probably order at restaurants and things like that. Then you have chuck roast, which you could go to your butcher, have them drop that through a grinder for you. In our case, we're going to grind it here. And you don't necessarily have to have a grinder. You can do something like this, cut it up and throw it through your food processor, get a ground meat consistency and make a good burger that way. And then the other option, we have the point of a brisket we're going to grind, and we're going to see which one really makes the best burger. All right, we're going to start with our chuck roast first. Typically, when you grind chuck, the fat content comes out naturally to be about 80-20. Pretty typical of your standard burger you get anywhere. All right, next we got our brisket point. I'm going to cut this up. We're going to grind it as well the same exact way. I'm actually pretty excited about this one. The fat content on it's a little higher. It's probably closer to like a 70-30. Here we go. Hey guys, if you've enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks.